Yeah, and I was really just happy to hear that the oils can be so calming, and because I really struggle with anxiety, and my nervous system is just, I have a sensitive nervous system, so I'm really on edge. It's hard for me to get to sleep, and yeah, and I have these circulatory thoughts a lot, and just I can really be stressed out. So it's nice to, I'm starting to do the oiling my scalp and oiling my neck and my ears at night, and really feeling amazing, like coming down before I'm going to bed. Yeah, really
I
nice.
know that it's, the application techniques are amazing, and they're just so not known. I mean, the whole module I do on
Yeah,
application, it's like, oh, I just feel so strongly we need to, more people need to know about these really simple tools that they can use, that they
yeah,
can do with the oils, right?
totally, totally. Just 2 days ago, my son came home from soccer. Someone fell on his ankle, and he was limping home. And then I just, while he was eating, I just rubbed in some plantain on his foot, completely forgot about it, and never heard about it again. The next day, I'm like, what happened to your limping foot? It's like, oh, it's gone. Right after I did it, I never heard anything again, and no more limping. So it's just
I know,
amazing.
I often wonder how moms live without them, without the oils. Like, how do they take, it's like the oils do so much, right?
Yeah, it's just such a blessing to have this in my hands. Yeah, yeah. So that's really, really cool. What else have I been doing? Oh, I've done rose, and I've just made a slather. I've learned about the slathers, and I like that. So I made a slather to put on my kids' feet and my feet at night, and it smells beautiful. And I I I had already started making infusions because I learned about the more simpler method of just letting it sit in the sun all day. And you smell that one because I just already made this summer, and it just smells nutty. You don't smell rose at all, but then you smell my new rose, and it really, I actually can smell more rose flavor, and it's beautiful. And then yeah, look at my calendula. This was the same summer. This is like pre doing it cami style, and then
This is pre-handcrafted herbal oils. And
yes, this is very light, and then look at this is like, this is
uh-huh.
so dark. It's, I don't know if you can see that. It's just, you can tell the difference. So I'm just using this up, kind of get rid of it, throw it away, kind of just when I want to get rid of oils. But the other stuff I'm saving for my medicine more uses.
So class helped you to be able to make a higher quality oil then, for sure.
Definitely, you can see the results. So I'm really excited because I'm studying with another company, well, school, to learn about cosmetic organic skincare formulation, and they just gave the very simple, basic method, and then I discovered your way with, yeah, it's completely different, and just the results. I'm just so happy that I found this method. It's really, you can tell the potency is just, it's a pleasure to learn from you. Just soaked it all in, and just mind blowing. I just loved. I've never heard of the stuff that you've been teaching about, the herbs and what they can do for you, and how to process them to really make it. Yeah, like this way you do it is really mind blowing. And yeah, the materials that you've provided, they're very detailed, so I know exactly what to do. They answer all my questions. Yeah, it's very comprehensive, the whole product that you've given us, and we can keep accessing the next Q&As. That's really, really helpful, and I'm learning so much more through the Q&As too, because other herbs come up, or what about this and that, and I'm like, oh, I didn't know about that. And so that's really exciting. um yeah, and the blends. So I made my own cheat sheet of your blends, so I can have this up on my fridge of the different blends I want to, like, if okay, I've got, oh, okay, cold coming, okay, get this one out, or there's scratches, get this blend out, or make it like, I'll probably make some of them as I go, right, so that I don't make things too soon. Because yeah, I do want to. I have a heart to heal people. I have a heart to help them, and this is giving me like just the arsenal to really help people. I just had the desire before. I'm like, oh, look up this information, look up that, and I'm like, no, here, use this. And yeah, it's really a blessing to be able to receive this gift to heal other people in my family and friends and stuff. It's really a blessing. Um, yeah, to have this knowledge. I'm really, really happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this online. And, you've been teaching for how many years, but this would never have been accessible to me had you not made this class online. Like, thank you so much. I know that that's probably hard to do. Anyone can access it from all over the world now, and it's a real blessing. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. But it's hard. It's hard, like, oh, is this class worth it? There's so many things online, and then you're not sure. But I think, yeah, when you have someone reputable that's kind of like bringing you out too, that's like, okay, I trust her. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then, yeah. So well done. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, such powerful information.